So this quick video will help you solve my problem, which I hope you don't have, but I guess you're here because you have it. And I was too fucking annoyed to not show you my solution because fuck, that was so fucking annoying. Like, man, I spent like maybe 4 days. I was always telling, oh, I'll do it later, I'll do it later. I didn't have this. That killed me. Like, wow, that was fucking annoying. Look at that. What I was getting, this is the choppy, shitty, fucking lagging, whatever the fuck was that. Like, look at this motherfucking shit.
Don't feel like what is felt right for you doesn't work. You need to try some wrong.
Well, all of this was fucking wrong. So this is how you do it. Very simple. Just go to edit. You choose preferences, audio hardware, and you just from default input you put no input, wherever the fuck you want. I don't even want to see this again. Click on this thing that's called OK, and you see, you'll find out that all your problems.
Don't feel like what has felt right for you doesn't work. You need to try some wrong.
Thanks to this legend of a guy, Travis, wherever the fuck you are, man, helped me out a lot. Like, I didn't even read this. Like, look, what page am I on the Adobe? Like, I went each and every page, and on the last page, like, I was googling the shit out of this. I have to show this to you. Like, this was too much. I can't believe I'm showing my history, but this is today, and like, look, man, look, I was, oh shit, oh, never mind. Like, I was everywhere about this, man. Run, bitch. This has ended. This chapter in my life has moved on. I need to go make myself a cup of coffee for that, man. It was helpful for you guys. That fucked me up, like, for real. Yeah, like, I'm in quarantine right now, like everybody else. Man, everybody here, like, I'm from Israel, and I was in shopping. I was in my car, and my mom went out. People are everywhere, man. Nobody fucking cares. Like, I wonder what will happen, man. I don't know. Like, people are everywhere, man. I couldn't even park my car. I parked my car way out there. Like, it's crazy, man. Like, fucking people. How did I get in there? Alright, anyway, this is how you do it. I hope this was helpful, and fuck you guys.